Actually, Katie's down in cells.
He didn't know she was 14.
Nope, she's chopped.
Oh, it's locked.
She just texted me. She went
Oh,
down
really?
there and then she popped because her shit went out.
Oh,
It's fine. We still got Dippy. We still...
Where did Katie
god
go?
damn.
Katie won't be back. Her Wi-Fi went out.
Okay.
Very convenient time. Holy shit. Shit. So, so
Wait, so
many.
it's just me and her? There's no third?
What
let's-
about East or excuse me?
I don't know.
West?
I
What
don't know
about
where
West?
East went. He was supposed to be here,
Fuck.
and he never showed up. And he...
I mean, we got people right here. Like,
How's it going, Dakota?
doing well. How about you?
Doing okay. How are you
Oh.
feeling? I got
You
you
know
out
what
of
you
that
should do,
situation.
Lucas?
East got caught up. What's up?
Much better. Thank you.
For
Where-
like
where
future
is
jury
Mr.
service, you should do it like how they actually do jury service, where
East?
like you get a lot
Alright.
of like a bunch
think
of
he might have
people,
gone
like
away.
you
I
can make
don't
like
know
a thing
I
of
left
people who
radio
want to
and came over
join
here.
selective jury
He
service,
took me
and
over
then
to
just
Sandy
spin a
and
wheel,
held me
and
at
those three
knife
people
point.
have to be summoned to court. And if they
Ah.
don't come,
Fuck you.
they'll be fine.
Yeah.
Well, he was going to
See.
give me C4
Y'all
and
are
then-
volunteers
and
in my
leave
eyes.
remote
But
detonator
that'd
on
be
me.
funny, no? Like, because the thing is, you're signing up for selective
Yeah, but he
service, so
got-
you're
Yeah.
volunteering already.
C4, but he had the
Alright.
plan for it.
Alright, let's start with the example.
So that's why.
Fine,
It's just an- it's just an
Katie,
idea, it's just an
$1
idea.
million
And,
Fine.
Well, not that
Awesome.
much, not
Well,
that
I'm
much.
glad to see
Yeah.
you're okay.
Oh, not that
But it'd
much.
be funny.
sorry.
It'd be
$2
funny
million.
See what
though.
happens.
No, like
Yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, I know. Like 10k probably.
Maybe, yeah.
10k is reasonable.
I feel like maybe like a little bit more. Like make it like they have to like
Oh yeah, make it something they'll freak out about, but it doesn't hurt them.
yeah, like 100K. I feel maybe 50K
75.
between 75, 75.
All right, let's get this shit started.
Okay.
All right, everyone get seated. Oh yeah. All right, go.
Alright, all rise for your Honorable Judge Michael Rodriguez.
You can now return to your seat.
Alright, you may now be seated.
Alright. Hello, today we'll be hearing the case of PD versus Dom Miller. Dom, what brings you here today?
I am here as an officer failed to keep me safe whilst transporting me to the station. And I was to the point of being treated as a normal civilian.
Okay. What were the damages you sustained?
I had a quite a bad leg injury. I was limping for quite a while after that. I had a few cracked ribs. Sustained a concussion. Yeah, and that's
What was the rough estimate of your PD fine and sentences and your charges? And your charges. Fine sentences and your charges. Ooh. Rough estimate. What was your charge when they took you in?
attempted murder of a government employee.
How much was the fees? How much was the... Ooh.
It was supposed to be 180k and 100 months.
Okay, and how much were your medical bills?
I still haven't properly paid them off, but they're up and over near 100k.
Does your lawyer have the medical report on hand?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Does your lawyer have the medical report on hand from the hospital?
Was never given a medical report. They never gave me a medical report.
You never retrieved one.
No, they never gave a medical report for the bill.
Okay. How much are you guys seeking in total?
We are seeking $100,000 for emotional and physical and mental damages, as well as lawyer fees and hospital bills.
Okay. Could you elaborate the full reasoning of why PD arrested you, just so we have a little bit of insight what happened?
So I was at a garage with my friends. We were being followed by the police. My friends had begun firing them. So, as of
Judge, I'm just trying to figure out what is the pretense? What is the pretense? What we're actually here for? We're here for what happened after he was detained and put into the car. We're not here for any charges or anything before that.
Okay.
Yes, but what we're here for is to find out the totality of the reason why he was incarcerated.
We are not here to figure out why he was detained. We are here to figure out why he was injured on the way after being transported for being detained. The reason for him being detained has nothing to do with that.
It's still involving in the
This is-
situation, so I'd like to hear it a bit, just so I know and understand what fully happened that led to that moment.
That's completely fine, but I just don't want my client to incriminate himself in any way.
Okay, that's understandable.
So again, we are here. This case isn't about what happened before. This case is about what happened after he was detained in the car with the NPD officer Danny Frost.
Alright. Mr. Dakota.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Now, the individual, Don Miller, claims that the officer did not buckle the seatbelts leading to his injury. Could you justify or explain what had happened a little?
Sure. So one, it's not a part of their SOPs. Number two, it is a practice that they do have that doesn't explain liability. So therefore, if it's a courteous, then it's not liability. So therefore, we're not liable because he got ejected from the vehicle for a crash that was something that had nothing to do with the officer's control. So again, this was an accident, and there's nothing that the officer could do to secure him any more than he could.
Your Honor, I would like to just say we would not be here if the officer did not neglect and did not and would have buckled my client in. It's that simple.
Okay.
I do have a witness.
Regarding the seatbelt is negligible at best because, I mean, come on, this is a frivolous lawsuit out of spite. Out of the totality of the issues that this man has brought to the MPD, he was at a store robbery, which started into a chase, which is a 1080. Then they had a gunfight, and then he was recovered and got medical at the scene. He was brought to MRPD, or was on the way to MRPD, and another accident occurred. And then, he's trying to claim negligence when reality it was completely out of the officer's control. The officer did everything well within the SOP to keep him safe.
we are not here to argue SOPs. I do have a witness that I can call to the stand who was actually another detainee in the car who was actually buckled in. So your NPD officer took her time to buckle in one detainee, but not my client, the other detainee. And in the car crash, the detainee that was buckled in did not fly out the windshield. So all she had to do was buckle him in, and he would not have flew out the windshield. So again, we are not here to argue SOPs. We are arguing the actual facts of this case. The actual facts of this case is that MPD Officer Danny Frost, who is not here to even take the stand to answer any questioning, was negligent and did not take the time to buckle my client in. If my client was properly buckled, he would not have flew out the window. We would not be sitting in your courtroom today, Your Honor.
So the argument regarding to the other occupant wearing the safety belt is irrelevant and misleading. The individual's position and behavior and restraint conditions during that dynamic situation can differ. The comparison doesn't even establish negligence, nor does it prove the improper conduct by the officer.
Hold up.
How
May I
would
speak?
that not? Yes, Your Honor.
Dakota, are you aware of Section 7 under the PDSOPs, which would be the arresting and processing mandatory statement?
I am.
Under Section 3, it does
Has this
state...
been updated recently?
No, this been here for a while, but it has been a policy that I'm aware of. It does state that the suspect must be buckled in before transportation. Were you aware of that?
I have scanned that thing multiple times. Do you have a different copy of the SOPs than I do?
Negative. It's what's provided under the DOJ section and the one that's publicly announced.
And again, like I said, I do have a witness to corroborate the story of being buckled in and detained, and my client not being detained and buckled in properly.
Okay, let's hear from this witness. Please approach him towards the bench.
Yep, Hubbard Weston.
Hello. Hubbard, can you explain what happened a bit?
So, me and my boy were being arrested. The officer had buckled me in and was transporting us. Neglected to put my friend's seatbelt on, causing him to fly out.
Okay. But for you, as Mr. What is his name? AO did state, you were buckled into the vehicle, but not your friend?
Yes, sir.
And do you believe that the officer, do you believe the officer forgot to buckle in your friend or didn't try to?
I'm not sure. I just know he wasn't buckled in.
Okay, and that led to the injuries that, of course, happened to Don Miller. Okay, you can return back to your seat. I'm going to go back into the judge room. Court will adjourn back in 5.
All right, thank you.
Oh wow, I made it right on time.
You
Yay,
guys can follow me.
period. Period. Oh my god.
You guys can follow me. Come on.
Oh, really? Oh my god, okay.
Listen, we got this.
So exciting.
Whisper, man. Y'all gotta whisper.
Alright, go and whisper.
I think they got a whisper, man. I don't know.
Yeah, go and whisper. Alright, what do you guys think about this?
PD should have buckled him in, bro.
Yeah.
I thought that was
like,
like
could you
a known.
update me a little bit?
I don't even. So basically, from what I've heard, is PD was negligent and didn't buckle in the detainee and causing him to fly out of the car.
Yeah.
I believe, and sustained multiple injuries.
Okay.
A couple
It
broken
is-
ribs.
It is up to the arresting officer to, of course, maintain the
Mhm.
safety of the suspect. So,
Yes.
honestly, I think the
I think
guy's
PD's in the
probably
wrong.
emotionally and physically scarred from what it sounds like. I
From
think
not being buckled.
the 100K could be reasonable, but I think it's very high at the same time.
I think low key. I think 100K is a little bit too much.
Yeah.
But at the same time, it is PD's fault for not buckling in, right? An SOP that should be followed and has been there for I don't even know how very long, in my opinion. I feel it maybe like 75K,
Oh fuck.
50K. My
Alright, I'm here.
opinion.
Oh. You're very
He made it.
Bad. My cousin got caught up.
Okay. Well, maybe 100K is not suitable, but what do you guys think about around 30 or 40K?
50. I think 50.
I think 50s. I think 50s
I think
pretty.
50
Okay.
because it's
50.
PD's PD was negligent
Yeah.
to it, man.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
it's not
of
even
course.
just the injuries; it's the fact
Prices
that you
of
know.
care went up a little bit. Price of care
Yeah,
went up a
it
little bit
was
with that
like-
new. With
It
the new
did,
system.
Now it's like
bro.
8.
Hospital bills are up.
Mm-hmm.
I think 50K is pretty. I think
Okay.
fair. I
Okay.
mean, who doesn't have 50K?
Yeah, 50K
I don't
should,
have 50K.
should be good enough. I mean,
Shit's
Get
expensive.
your money up. Not your money up. Maybe if you're on to have 50K.
Listen. My cousin. Got
And it's
complete shit.
it also just sucks that one of them was buckled, but then he wasn't.
yeah.
So they knew to buckle, just didn't buckle
fuck.
him,
Yeah, that's crazy.
Okay.
right? So
I'm just what for the.
Well,
so
let's
it's very
go-
negligent as a whole.
I
You
can
know?
just bring something to your attention.
Yeah, what's up?
Emails, another discovery made.
My def, what's going on?
Look in the emails for the discussion for this case.
One thing he didn't
This is making me want to go back to.
record itself
I might want to.
and his client.
Oof. Okay.
But thing is, he pled guilty, so he can't.
Is that admissible at this point?
This is kind of unrelated.
That's my.
What's
Um,
up?
Kind of late.
What's your name again?
He can keep on going.
Who's?
Here with the dark hat.
Dippy?
Okay,
Me?
I wasn't sure. I was sure, but I wasn't sure because it's not what.
Oh yeah.
That wasn't my
Okay.
question. Can I have a copy of your duck?
Oh my God! You want to wear the duck?
The duck
Yeah.
looks cute
It
though.
looked
Where'd you
cute,
get
I
that?
can't lie.
Yeah, I'll drop it on the ground. You could put it on and then give it back. I love the fucking duck.
Have you ever seen that gif of the duck that bounces into the circle?
Yes.
Yes, it's literally what it reminds me of.
Thank you, good sir.
I appreciate your fellow duck ship. Keo, can I get a hired back on?
Yeah, I'll do that
I
at
need to
the
be
end.
hired back on.
I'll do it at the end. I got you.
Caleb Ewart.
To what?
To lawyer.
Oh.
I haven't been in since a job thing, but I also need to get paid too.
Emmy won't be able to pay you until that.
I'm not worried about the pay. It's cool.
She gets that.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah.
It's only 100K.
What were you like? Lawyer, DA?
He's a lawyer.
Lawyer. I thought about asking to swap the DA, honestly.
Yeah, paralegal, chief justice, but chief is spelled wrong. Honorary.
Uh-oh.
Wait, that's this building's alarm, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So there's something
Yeah, I hear our
robbable in
alarm
here.
going off.
Is there an active shooter?
Ayo.
Angelico.
I'm scared.
That's Evangelico?
I'm scared. I'm just scared.
Angelico's across the street.
Oh,
Ladies and
it
gentlemen,
is.
don't be alarmed. We have a robbery across the street. We are fine.
Okay.
I'm
all I can
scared.
say
I was
is
a
keep your
little
shots
alarmed.
lowered, keep your heads down.
I was very alarmed.
Alright,
Yeah,
I
get down,
still
get down,
shoot
get
that
down.
shot.
let's go.
Get down.
Get down. Bitch. Fuck no. Fuck you mean.
It's the Evangelico next to us, Darian.
I'm just gonna walk in and shoot everybody and then come back over here.
Don't do that. Don't do that. You're gonna get us a lawsuit.
I'll pay the lawsuit.
Yes,
on
do
it.
it.
Do it.
Hold up.
Do it. Do it. No balls. No balls.
Am
You
I
do it.
hearing
Hey.
more counts of PD negligence?
Clock it.
Okay, no, none of this is admissible in court.
We're still in active court, guys. Please, please. Alright. Let's get back into it. So,
Can I interject
yeah, what's going on?
before you make your final decision?
What's up?
So, since our lawyer over here did not do a full discovery on everything, he only asked for the body cam. He didn't ask for the report of the actual why he got arrested, right? So, with that being said, your client decided to plead guilty, which makes MPD immune to his lawsuit as of right now.
Dom Miller, is that true?
Fuck. Why he's so quiet?
Is that true, Dom?
Why is he not
There
speaking?
is not a guilty plea on the record. The record is for a cop out. If you go through the record, it will not say guilty on that charge. That charge should be opened as not guilty with a 45 month sentence.
It is entered as guilty, and you can take a look for the record for yourself, and go
iPad on
review.
me? Where's my iPad?
It does state guilty.
Nah, that sounds like the cops were tampering with evidence.
I'm gonna ask this again. Dom Miller, did you or did you not plead guilty?
The bitches are fighting. Oh, someone's getting taken out. What happened?
We're serving law, not ass.
This is. I don't know what episode of Suits this is.
Officer, can you please get that man in purple over there seated? Or escort him out?
You want to sit down real quick, sir?
Get him out!
Yeah, we don't want to hold you in contempt of court, you know. And then there could be other charges, so I don't want you to leave that seat, okay?
Gotta love when the silence hits. Everything good there?
Discussion, Danny versus or Dan. 056.
So bad.
Your Honor, looking through my client's profile here, this case isn't even under his file.
Under Colin Morgan.
It's under arresting officer Colin Morgan, attached officers Danny Frost. It says guilty and murder of an LEO. It's the last case on his record, bottom right. Because the true arresting officer was Colin Morgan, and the assisting officer was Danny Frost. And while Officer Danny Frost was transporting the subjects to get medical aid, y'all flew with the vehicle. Y'all flew.
Yeah, I do see that.
Don Miller, did you plead guilty? That's the last time I'm gonna ask.
I do not think I did. I was told I was getting a deal with 50 months, no fine, because of the situation, and they had not asked me whether I pled guilty or not. That's all they said. They said, this is your sentence, take it or leave it. It was a plea deal.
So
exactly.
Did you take the plea deal?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
That's admission of guilty.
Then
right there.
I rule in the favor of PD. I'm sorry, Don Miller.
Wow.
This case is adjourned.
Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness.
Have a good night, people.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'm leaving now. Okay, you tripped on your
That
shoelaces,
hurt.
Jay.
That hurt.
Oh my god, wow.
I'm out of here.
Under City
Oh.
Bible, if a guy
you
pleads
nigga.
guilty in the scene, even
Damn.
if there
Well.
was some sort of mishap that's a lawsuitable, it all
Easy.
gets dismissed if he pleads guilty.
Let me squeezy.
So next time he has to sit in prison until we go to trial?
Hey,
How
No,
does that
next
work?
time he
Yep.
just has to plead not guilty,
Thank you.
and then
Thank you.
he'd have
Thank
to
you.
just
Yeah,
go to the
if he takes a
second.
guilty plea, that's kind
yeah,
of
then he admits
yeah, it's cooked.
to anything.
Yeah, you can't
I just
adjust
made
Which
it.
means the city
anything.
does not
Guilty
fall
anyway.
for him.
Oh, Mr. AO. Mr. AO. Like my 20K.
Is it a bet?
Oh, yeah.
Damn, yo, he showed you. Yo, I got shot down earlier, by the way.
I'm sorry to hear that, bro. I heard you took, your cousin took the one guy.
No. I ran just now into the place with the gun.
Oh.
But it was a movie prop. Trying to get a viral thing going before the court case. Oh yeah, I drove your Lego car here, by the way. That shit is actually really fast. I don't know why you hate on it so much.
Lego? It's not mine.
Yeah, that old car you gave me, it was like a little two-seater truck with like a flatback on
Crazy
it.
though, because I was about to
Hmm.
just rule in his favor too.
Oh, I know. Yeah.
Yeah, we were talking loud.
I do need,
Michael Rodriguez, nigga.
So how? Yeah.
Get
So
everyone
how
in this
does that
radio,
work
nigga,
then? How do we do this
BBBOT.
for next time?
The judge, nigga, you a bitch, nigga. DOGK, nigga. It was
This
rigged.
fucking radio.
Yeah.
It's not right.
Keep
Rules are
yapping, bro.
rules,
The
buddy.
IRS is gonna tax you soon.
IRS
Hey,
is
like you
gonna
keep
tax
acting tough until IRS comes around.
That's crazy. Can you not do
Just don't
points
sleep,
on
bro.
radio anymore? Like you can't do like 15 point. Oh no.
Yes, you can.
It's just so
Yes, you
wonky
can.
for me. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's weird. And the leave button isn't visible until you go underneath it.
I see that. What?
What channel are you on?
What sucks though
So-
is that whatever channels you have it on, from one soul to the next, it stays. So that's something that Twitch probably has to edit. Fix.